In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete home feed history on Pinterest. If you want to clear out the search activity that influences what you see on your Pinterest home feed, this is a quick and simple process. Removing recent searches can help clean up your recommendations, especially if you've searched for something once and no longer want related content showing up again and again. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it right from the Pinterest app. To begin, open Pinterest on your device and look for the search icon, which appears as a magnifying glass. Tap that icon to go to the search section. This is where Pinterest keeps track of your recent search activity, and it's also the place where you can manage and remove individual search terms. Once you're on the search screen, tap directly on the search bar. When you do this, Pinterest will display your recent searches. These are the terms and topics you've looked up recently, and they may be contributing to the kind of pins and suggestions you're seeing on your home feed. Now take a look at the list of recent terms. Next to each one, you should see an X. If there's a specific search you want to remove, tap the X beside that term. This deletes it individually from your recent search history. You can repeat this for as many terms as you want, depending on how much of your recent activity you'd like to clear. This method is useful because it gives you more control. Instead of wiping out everything at once, you can remove only the searches that are no longer relevant or that you don't want affecting your Pinterest experience. For example, if you searched for a one-time project, gift idea, or seasonal topic, deleting that term can help reduce similar suggestions in the future. If you want the best results, go through your recent searches carefully and remove anything that no longer reflects your interests. Over time, this can help Pinterest show you a home feed that feels more accurate and personalized to what you actually want to see. And that's all there is to it. Just open the search tab, tap the search bar to reveal your recent searches, and tap the X next to any term you want to delete. It's a fast way to tidy up your Pinterest activity and improve your recommendations.